Don't worry if you don't know what to do. I've spent a little time in worried shoes. I wore them out through walking, it wasn't any use. But don't worry if you don't know what to do. Don't give up if you just can't get your way. Don't listen to the bitter things they say. Put those thoughts behind you, tomorrow's a new day. Don't give up if you just can't get your way. And life hurts, and love will burn. Don't we wish it weren't that way? And if it falls to bits, you should fix it, don't throw it away. Don't let your heart get hardened into stone, or lose yourself in looking at your phone. So many so-called friends, and still you feel alone. You should spend more time with the do's than with the don'ts. And life hurts, and love will burn. Don't we wish it weren't that way? And when you can't pull through, I will help you, I won't push you away. Don't worry if you don't know what to do. Don't worry if you don't know what to do. Don't worry if you don't know what to do. Don't worry if you don't know what to do. I don't know what I'm doing, no one has a clue, but you'll figure it out, and I might too.